Good morning and welcome to Fadi Vegetable Farm. My name is Ibrahim Fadi. I'm from Jaro Jumer, a young vegetable farmer who is so consistent on vegetable production since 2023 up to 2026. Welcome to Fadi Vegetable Farm.
Thank you so much, Ibrahima. Thank you for having us, and we are very keen and we're excited to go through some of the products that you have cultivated today.
Yeah, welcome to Fadi Vegetable Farm. My name is Ibrahim Fadi. As I said, here I normally do different kind of vegetable production. As you came today, we are now into bed preparation because since January we have been harvesting a lot of series of vegetables. But right now we are having okra plus some pawpaw seedlings at the moment.
Okay.
So in 2 weeks time we will start our transplanting. So likely in 2 weeks time we will be transplanting our guana plus green pepper. Then cucumber will be direct soil plus some okra again. So we do continuous production. There is nothing like we have off season.
Because usually in Gambia, what they do is vegetable production is something that is seasonal because of irrigation issues. And one thing that caught my attention, it looks like you've made sure that you created a form of irrigation that will serve you. Tell us more about, the irrigation system that you designed.
It's a long story because since I started 2023, I have been using manual system to water from early in the morning from 7 o'clock up to 11. So it was hard on me. So I even have a lot of discouragement from my family members. They were telling me that you graduated, you go to tertiary institute, college plus GTTI and the Gambia Songhai Initiative. You are having this knowledge. Why not you go and be an extension worker? I told them that what I want, I also want to employ people. There's nothing like government cannot employ all these youths. So we have to create employment for ourselves so that we can also employ another youth, so that the youth employment rate can be reduced. So the moment I started, things were hard, but today, Alhamdulillah, I have a drip irrigation system plus a good water supply.
Maybe we will go to the water supply area because I would want to learn more and the viewers to learn more about the irrigation system because it's one thing me alonko jama jama kaja la kamusul affect bake many alonko kana kudo and again I would applaud you because it's traditionally it's more of women that venture into horticulture.
So you are,
but you are a gentleman and you decided to do
for
that.
sure, for sure.
Yeah. So the irrigation, how did you come, up with this idea?
Well, I studied integrated farming system at the Gambia Songhai Initiative. So we do both manual and drip irrigation system because all of us who graduated there cannot afford this. So as time goes on, I said, whenever I harvested here, if I have money, I want to reinvest that money. There's nothing like I will go and buy another stuff for me looking good at the street. It does not even make sense. So I said, let me go and reinvest that money at my farm. So the money that I spend at the farm, that's the reason why now in for drip irrigation system. Let me say it in local language. Gambia jang sama doko moli ajara comme ça ate mu fengol timi ni ko bitala rek e ka fale nyim ama option soto because of niajibe sama doko is already modernized say farming is modernized farming niajibe farming manke moti mi alanko fuaro nyanta la kala agriculture manke fuaro tare because materials all men yalo ke use for farm mechanization they are very expensive
ngamere wala fana mu fenti me alonko ay Gambia la seno bunda tardendi ko ma demanding because falingo keta nyaman technology ayatin la ko min ko machinery men be caring it's certain like come here eat and and a lot of people who can afford no well still people stick to the substantial
substantive farming sure
exactly
than into commercial
commercialize
because mo mo rendi mbake ka kele pour na la family anata babalu la nyame but ni yajibe nyim plot kilo right now you can harvest almost every 3 days kanja pani fula ka soto ja yeah tamu mi alon ko ba harvest kan so jangin ka wotale within 30 minutes ay nyim ploto ba so if at all is manual watering e better rajan almost 1 hour e ma banno so anu nyinna jibondiro la gana proper than ye watering kano te tara bonka.
So left dorong come take us through what you do first ni nata na nimfano keda ni nata na especially when it comes to the irrigation ikamuneke and then how did you come about can make sure that any pipe will be sort of
Yenyim buso mende. We use it as mulching. In agriculture, mulching are two types of grass mulching bijela and in plastic mulching. So nying aka moisture bangola moisture nying aka retain. So aka nyamo fana suspect ala jamin pour nyamo e fali la bedo is very rare. Aja jando man plastic wala je ba wheat kan. But this other side niya jibe buka nyamo fana taraje because of plastic wo memela rinje. So wala nang ko agriculture man ke fuaro tade. Gambien wala ka mira comme ça farming is for the poor people. Why is farming manke modi mi alon amanka fengo mi alon ko fuaro nyanta dunaje because bakasol men yale kesang they are very expensive. So nyimbuso yen over day majande ila niaje fengo ila jerodo mbuso ni dripol be laari nyami and chocolli wato mi alon production obija ye wholesale je nyame be bulari nyono ni nata mo la community farm soldo mais role men yalon ko ka dogoge technical know how man traje so niaji be kotenke Gambia yang attach men ka mol batandi fana ni be ka production ko the same time ntol sisin clean be mol bol consistency bu ka taraje that is not like comme ça ni mo ben ka kanjo wa fi ni na dal always ba kanjo taraje na maria start rek ni mo ya promote rek hina clean na wa fi ro rek abanda
sa be mem fo important tabaka eko mbeka production ko wati clean andu niya jibe Gambia la marketo manke fende me alon ka warta bake nimbe nga production ko wati clean nim mo be pareta lafta wafila we don't have the market pour ko o wafilo so jama men kana ke wala bantalan ko le kana ya sambulo kono because again enough storage facilities soto wala ta ya mabo in their storage facilities ni parete ya murundi nang ya wafin na dala me alon ka akoleata itela jero rete ya mira msamune keno pour ka je comme ko o situation woni sa talano
ku kilimbiye men ka mol batandi Gambianol mboka there's a strategy in agriculture ka me staggering method mboka firi fengol bondi nyokoto you are a farmer I'm a farmer ninte mentango do ku sansante ite tara kanjo fika nyin do tara kucha fika do tara fondo fika ibajel nindol be tara marché itala kanjo be sanna ndata be sanna do fananta be sanna
because kanjo ka sanne cabbage ka sam fengo be ka san exactly
but nindol be cabbage ka nyola sinya kili na tara marché there is high probability that price on da sotal and at times ikata marché mentam pano ika say $100 just imagine yebata men be ko kuna for 3 to 4 months mo etaje one day rek afoy ko pano $100 because of money yeah force our farm but nimben tan wata farm mankita pano kata 2500 membi je mbuka sokoli fana market visibility study mbukake fengo ferendi janiba dunna je inyanta fen karana kono ya long but kanaje comme ça Ibrahima be famine neke kan asok sita jere mfana mbitala bayis ita malo Ibrahima tata dulali mento ayo kol nyin kara and sokoli ni nata jibe fana storage ka kenna problem wol nimbe do ko ke nyol the same time mbuka na storage facility o kam mo of batandele o
ye men foy kuma ya tabakele Ibrahima ya itandi ko kafo ko Ibrahima e do ho nyin kala no ala fife ngo beti yata e success to ala harvesto o mati neta fana nyanda kake because imalo Ibrahima e karango menke right lafte nyin kala doron fo itala jero do ya mira comme pour ila agriculture do ko wetano nyato does it need the technical knowledge ya would need la bang nyanta fenne me yalon ka nyanta
karana bak
anu niya karam fana mun akuma yandi kamul ni mun la bondino nyoto wa karam ko
niya karam ke fo pareta ni agriculture karam ke fo pareta firi fen hapol le ba so ni nata kanjoro anin guana ila species nyal mankle because e kasula nutrients wol men they are not the shape so ni modi me alon ko you are a layman you never know anything about it fo shita mo high ni mo high ni ga ke kumfi at the end of the day e sulata men neta so tolaje so wala ka ken to la jam problem wol ni bedol jibe ani siloli bebe nyokono foot parol be faye waya bay tricycle wala sareto wala hadaba dum wala tamar dal be di same so anim bedo fana mantara nyokono so but ni tara na community garden wol bambe wol ni silol fon you cannot even identify them so this is the problem fengo friend janiba dum naje inyanta la yata yakara o fengo nyin ay mun sula ko len nyininga inyanta mun nekreje because through this mol kan hayan ka bojan kata fo kombo nga mol la fam sol suma they pay me a lot of money
aside from it
yeah
on farm
yeah
farm do ko ka menke
mfongo fo on farm do ko kamenke mol kan hay pour ngata consultancy laje laftale yang advice lafta ni nit ñi nekala some people they will even pay me amount of money which I don't even expect
because ya jelo ko men ko maya tale ye mo soton bari tol malong me do ko nyelong Ibrahima I'm very impressed for the fact na mu kewaldi ibe horticulture kono but also mu funding kewaldi funding kewo me yalon ko inata na seno karang seno ko maya ta bakele ani ko banko ya fango sotono surtout de mako fengo la karola ite before you start mune yete inspire really pour kaje pour ko ye fansung do ko ke seno bundala anim fanan yemun support la soto because ngaje la ko mi lallan ni mudulalte me alon ka warata la family la fo ye support la soto bang ngaje fanan ko min ko ye fencing kele because ko kole ya mol bulo ko na janne surtout garden tiyo bo holo be bulo ko no fi fengol ni nyata fo ni mu fenete me alon ko ye support la di la bang ko yake
maru soto well ndekete modi me alon ko na first early 15 years old I am somebody who hate farming. Mang agriculture ko I'm not in for it.
Ko ngata faro ya be buga bori.
Nina bro ko nyako ngata kungoro. Nga ko si fa bele ka men sa dina kana ka wulo. Yeah. Mo especially somonda na ko nyate ta follow si. So ko ni sama kete ni sama kete follow la bungo nan te buka pare ka dugoro. Yeah, ngata la bay olme ate follow si de nim pare den be ta nyola wulo ko. But kabirin na grade 7 ngai ko nte la fakele famal. Ako nyako farm nka because through my experience nka menja ko nya nka ntola dad manke modi me alan ko farm la mari my father is a carpentry man farmer akede modi me alan ko I cannot say anything about my father I lost my father since I was at 7 years so but not that yala own mango farm sotol ning farm me alan ning land me alan ba ko not that like a production okay and here is almost 10 hectares belori men kono jang anyon tang wala be jang yeah so ngaje fana na land soul they are getting useless none of my brother is here right now e bebe combo that's where they are all working so mo man tara nyin kenol du ko kan keno nyi man value shoto ko denke man nafa shoto and nita da fo nyaado 10-15 years time e ba mo le jen men minana je ba folo ko jamuna dulal because of mune mo man tara do ko te so ngoko let me go and study agriculture so graduated 2019 then I started at the Gambia College for 2 years. Bantol labaj we are not lucky. Ntol ni wo pandemic time wala the COVID-19.
Okay.
So we do more theory than practical. And most of our courses ngakele through online. We don't even have face-to-face lecture. We are not lucky to do that. So kabringa system mo ngoko no I cannot live in this environment. Ngoko imagine somebody who have certificate in general agriculture, even bedwe buka sumano. Ngoko ndete sabat laja. That's the time I decided to go to GTTI at Julangel. But I was staying at the President Village, Mankamankunda, 1 kilometers every day I travel. So na course called horticulture 1 year, na 9 months like then the 3 months that attack me. But when we more currently kanje, they are Gambia Shanghai initiative students. They don't even go through college neither university. So we'll not take a meaning of a motivate. You are somebody very strong. Ni not in terms of level and practical know-how, technique. Why not yet a chairman? So that's the time not a decision on making that a chairman. So coming that chairman, I was lucky. They select me as their head boy. So during the training, the day of the graduation, I was among the most outstanding and hardworking students. So I got a support from UNDP, almost $500,000. That's the money I invest in this farm. So before having that support, I was working with Food and Agriculture Organization for 6 months. So before the end of the contract, I got the support from the UNDP. So that time, I did only 4 months at FAO. So I told my boss that I want to quit this contract and go to the village. I wanted to start my own production. Ibrahim ebe shela nkai nka shela. Akonyo ko bari ke jo salary man nkai salary right now. Nta buka mira wala. Nkai nta fana lafta nga duko ke nga mul employ. Akonyo ko tonyaro nye ambition no soto. Then anata akonyo ko ni pareta sai isina na molila document solda ngi process then you can go back. Tango da fana nata ke mori me alan ko he give me $20,000 akonyo ni data yenyu mudi fambul. Beginning was hard. Kabrin na bamal follow in discourage. Akonyo ko itabo do ko leka ko do kinanja every month. Sai ka fanya ko kanana nan kana stage. Ngai mero alawarta. Akonyo jani ta wura mul me ta folera. Ngai ko but kana wori abisoni ala. first 3 months nga kodo men be soto as a salary nga bele invest jam. None of my family members was supporting me at the beginning because they were saying that nying ali nga bula je nyata murana ne comme ça financial support pour fencing time ye makwele but kabirin nga do ko start e ko ali nga bula nga jibe 2 months was hard but kabirin nga harvesting start na miro force de ala marché 7,000 ha atele kata marché ala seconda 9,000 ala third ay 15 soro afona da ko nyoko ke bari yabe de gadi no muta ko do bijel ngay no nyum ko do ni ngala nyoko kata bagu akonye bagu ni tara na duwate. So that's the time atafona da ke modi mi alan ko I'm over ma ko jang ye Mbama is one of the most passing me alan ko I'm over assistant both day and night ina rajane mam mo tara jang but Mbama continuously atakatara jang every harvest anu aketa modi mi alan ko she is very honest ila mero nu ko wafiro okay she will never kid you and most of the time nata tara wafiro la $100 150 anu la ka sena aka fa nyenyu mude fay mbolo the rest of the money aka bele safe pour business weta so ko do nyi aka fa nyoko say jibondiro sembo wata why not ye fen dol commencer dripol ye use so alhamdulillah dripol say even training from UNDP from ka training dil anke host ja I trained 50 youths here 4 months back on irrigation on smart farming GSB project na training you host jan so they also take me as a training facilitator
and you get
yeah
for that at the
and
end
they
of the
pay me that the money that they pay me I use that the same money here
Okay.
to invest it at the farm.
Okay. We're going to talk about harvest, right? So maybe we can start around the okras because at least like
The way you are seeing it right now, almost every 2 days, every 3 days, we do use to harvest 2 pan here. So each pan is costing
every 2 days like a harvest.
every 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
So akamuta after 3 days dula dole akasoronga
Yeah.
mem kotek.
Yeah. Tomorrow we will harvest it, inshallah.
Okay. So now take me through market nying, right? Because earlier I mentioned no coming Gambia no market fenere me alon kama wara baake kamul batandile lafta kalon ni la harvest ke sang wa firo nyingal ka nyaade you transport it to Kombo like most of our local women would do wala alka ke nyaade tol ka falka wa
Well, na mi role ka wa firo Kenya soma. But most of the customers are coming all the way from Kombo. Some are at Farafenya here. But all men kana tale through wholesale ya samba. But intala production no. Before me production no kela. Nkata market visibility story la kela. Force.
Oh my god. Iko fanankela.
Market visibility story before production.
Market visibility story ni tara wode kam munni mune jibe kam munni mune tenten o kono.
For example, ni tara marché odo. Fe me alon ka bo mankering. Shine ding is very difficult pour yasoro marché odo and price odo. Nka calculate time jumale nte so fino fo ye be nyi wato fe ma price odo je.
Anu nyimbe mo fenere yemel loy la karango kono.
Through na agriculture karango la ngani long. So kabiri ngo kerek wona most of the time na mero tara marché odo ata bukaloje fata ka sena. And one of the success stories always na customer ga to men folaje ko your products can last long and stay long without getting spoiled because pure organic farming koleke ndabuka chemical use even this
so organic manure ko wala
organic manure even
example
even compost like cow dung sheep waste poultry manure rotten fruits numbuke sang those ones are within our surrounding even these grasses nyil men bejang ndabuka nyul fayde I use them again nimbe compost de dal ngani nyamo la ni nyamo niya jibon in 2 weeks 3 weeks time they will start decomposing ikanaka bonko ken sangol but through karangole kanyum belo yeah and most of the people think that I am even good in vegetable production area. No, I studied integrated farming system.
So what I want to know also is koko la kiliano li aitan di total kamele longer than maybe others in the market. For organic manure ning and chemical fertilizer. Mune la difference di aning ila impact kamen soro ila produce kam mune ngo difference fanati.
Well, farmers dolmen mo sama senalal we are the one who is dealing with people life hada madum la jara kende abento lobolo ye ntolla ka di yalla ya domo so fengo friend mi yalon ko ba do kula ba di la mola make sure ay ka fengo mi yalata mo affect la chemical o man betea amam betea na banko fongo do banko mi yalon ko dalda chemical o kala je ni famata chemical o kala je pour ye production o ke je priorita it will be very difficult abukata no chemical o ka banko fale
so nyanta ye banko dalende
organic manyo so even ñing chemical on men yalon ko ñi insecticides me yalon ko ka spray in kala I don't use it I make my own neem solution here
so because ka fala ni be insect sol ka ela producer batan fenkol batan fi fengol batan di bakel so ita kam muna use
well this is a secret
okay
yeah no I can say it but the problem is hada madu wala jata ken there is very important. Most of this chemical yena ye fengo spray science yena ya harvest ya di mola na maria tababa affect la but ndaka me use hani ya spray science isa ku science ya dongo hirin kuno be farin jande they are too much mahogany covers they are too much these are the kind of things mol can use ni left ya iba boil ni left ya tu e guana alkeje guana is so hot aka kandile ni abula mahogany jio kono ani hirin kuno jio ni yele fengo pombala bay fosi babula la anu the most me alon ko advantage to fon la carol abuka tumbol fa ake bayle it repel them yeah but fengo friending e ko dinno ba do yari wato men o time le ka start ka take care ni mambetia nyinke ni ne betia ta nyinke but yelo fo mo men ta konde we mo men nyinke ta fale ni ko wo fale na instant it will be difficult fengo be do yari nyame o time le ka start ka treat so na dalta la rek abanda tumbol babula la but most of the farmers e kamenge kelo le fo ni fengo data saying nying tumbol ya affect le kende ke fon wo ni kamen fo ni ya use it will not work for shit a chemical yeah
Eframa, to say I'm impressed.
No,
that would do.
I wish if at all it's 2 months back, you people were here, you will be so impressed because what time was Jambe and Green then?
Okay. So yeah, like kanjo lebe bulo kono anda amuta mentale do mande back phone.
I made a harvest land.
Kanjo ni min lebe jan sante.
Kanjo right now odam mala harvest.
Odam mala harvest ka.
Because jamunum kakumbaldi. This other side was onion.
Okay.
This other
so
side was.
So be baru kana wol fanan.
Nkana bedol construct ko tenkele kede da.
But I thought sign thing where I yele market analysis kele.
Already.
Those things already. Okay.
Sigada maduma fides, balance sigada maramba de festa, halis like uti mantalo ma rest, confront like am gonna account the best. Yes, juggling best ticket chay, taku de na new
Janana okra farm di, okra ploto. I have almost 3 plot of okra, but right now you never harvest kang. So nying ploto every 3 days, pani flower wala ka harvest ja, and the variety maningkol ka fa na kanyo nungo, because 2 different variety ko leke. This one mol ka kidi nyine kan kennege anu because atara katara adingo atara dingo nung kada and so ko linying atay advantage men so atara katara ka kilo boy than the other one the lady finger o katara o wala ka ding ni na in term of dingo
wala dingo siyata
yeah wala dingo siyata and wala fanan gana tariyata ni because o mu F1 ne hybrid seed so but this other one farmer sol ka select le so most of the time near dual fi ibuka falim fon because ni man ben seed so fe me yalanko it is viable ni ya fi ata sonna ka fale yeah but F1 woni ya fi rek there is high probability that 98% o be ka germinate but ñin do ibuka percentage rate for it because they don't know it. Then we can go to the nursery.
Judo fi, jackie fi, gannaaw yàlla luñ ut rek ñu am ko fi, liggéey fi, jóg rek nekk si, defar fi, su dut ay milliards luñ am invest ko fi, suma gaay daal, jàmbaar ngeen, nekk si dëkk bi dóori waar, jàmbaar ngeen, osu bi naxari metti ni mbaar.
Nyimpa ya juwo manjam fa?
Nyimu dua fo no. Ngadi ne dol bije bu kala weight control no boy.
Okay. So but hana boyta womatina ala growth ni stop.
No. 6 months rek aka fruiting start. Yeah.
So even hana tara ay nyin dingo kete nyame na pareta 6 months again.
No, ala life cycle is 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
So now fruiting start 6 months. So 6 months ikatara harvest kam.
Okay.
But it is so fast.
Okay. So the rest of the papaya cultivation or membe bulokono fanam is the same
the
same variety like that's the dwarf
yeah
there.
nkala seedling so wafile den defon nka no sum faye den kana nka production
Okay, kanyama.
Takkude nañu bokka ko liggéey ñun har ñu tukki ñun dañoo liggéey si business job jaral nañu pay hey loolu ndo ko lam fa demande wasina na wuli na mecho karansi kensen fentina sina jam.
Will you believe that if I told you that this is a cow dung, poultry waste, rotten fruit, and fresh grass? Those are the raw materials which turn and decay to become as a black soil.
So ika kafunyo kanyari, ika mix nyari, leka kanyari.
I wish that when we are doing the process, I taraja. Nka mol tanyin nala through classes. Mol kang haya lang katangka ke fola suokono, they pay me. Yeah. Most of the activities here, mol kafanyo ko lefanale blada pour yen karandi nyina. So ngame use as advantage.
So near cow dung ni use, ye poultry waste ni use, and sheep and all of that. Ika moneke kana ya be jurman dula killing.
Yeah, comme ça every funko ni la hippodro already. Aka layers all soro. So those layers ekatara rotten fruit sol ke kanje nyame ani poultry waste sol. Then ekatara close ka wala nyama. Domande. So every day someone da ka bonne ani wularo. So every month eka ton ne membe sando waita duma membe duma ita sando because the composition work start duma.
So you know, one thing that stands out, Nene Tadanung on a research at the National Horticulture Office, and most of the things ngejebe men kekanja, I've seen them there too. Very similar.
I did a course at
So it's like,
3 months.
yeah, you know the stuff. Yeah, understand. They don't want you learn because yeah, the National Horticulture Office in Tarajela, these are most of the time ngani natal being kanyin sifale. So they took me through kafengo explaining yeah. And I'm happy to say ngai je yake nyama fenje mabije te fana mbake ga wala nyama. Okay. So we'll come inside and see this.
Sina jam fata simfa ngile follow kana mechulo lukuolo wuluta janne nkuluta janne God bless anye tala fiya be fanin na janne desito be janna do ku filingo be janne batako la da hay sutiata nyawanya ni million kakanne subaju na wulo do ku fodo mandingo sinani hamo bije taro sapije ndol kanni la nangata Gato mando man pusgata hani yes tana kuto fo by fosta rada sina manje kibola de bani yake fa walede ni lafta e kada ni le ode fala kodo te la kodide ndo kolam fo de mande wasila na uli ga mecho karansi kensen ventina sina jam fata simfa
Work that I'm doing here.
Okay.
So I got a support from IOM.
IOM. Okay. Okay.
On the Global South. So Ningali training sort for 4 days at CRR. I forget the name of the village.
But you have CRR.
CRR. Makati.
Makati. Okay.
Yeah, near training sort for 4 days, Makati. Then we are almost, I think we are 35 in number. So out of 35, we were lucky. The best 10s were selected. So before giving us a support, a site visit like can follow. So because modemal bije ka foko me production okay kan wise imantara ke kan dol bije ka business o register la wise imantara do ko ke kan so ko mo le mbita site visit la kabri na site visit la kademi ale kan fo man ta call e mo la dindi mo la nyinin ka sa do kon min to le Ibrahim al gadi not
Wow, you're surprised.
yeah then ina ta jan the moment they came rek I think that's the day na machine mo problem o soro bo hol machine so ko nyoko mune la problem o science ko na betrol ali je science and e condition men do na machine le problem o soro ngoy ko kada machine ni no la fon la combo de e ko nyoko den say machine be cost la mena ani la sola because o time o sola panel ni wala ben ja so machine men fana bi ja machine bo so then that's the time they give me $80,000 so a machine was sanya ndaka machine mo use it was 15,000 then a machine was sanya 35,000 inata solar panel nani sanya so each panel is costing $9,000 so it na ya be
Ni do ko ke nyaade la so na ndiro la karola
alhamdulillah because before Gio me alan ka use jang machine me mula mantaria jan ni tanko fala 2 hours plus but right now nga machine so men so in 45 minutes tanko ka fa so machine nyim fo nyanta Gio me pump la ndabu ko space ni
Ete ka Gio me use jang daily akasiala bang
yeah daily
tanko jalla use
almost 15,000 liters daily. Yeah.
But ni manyi bo lo soto non ole man tam ko soto non tam no.
No, to me be follow ni
Go
yeah. But right now, still now, Hanisha and Jiol and problem.
You need more water.
Yeah, I need more water.
Akumuta seno Jio mo fene demi alam ka kumaya tabake.
Garden doko, there are two major things. Ni also you can call yourself as a farmer. Number one is water. Ni Jio soto good supply of water, alhamdulillah. Ni proper fencing for soto. Yeah, because ni aje ebe doko keno.
Security. Because ning security ti kaje jama kata local garden ol mento e kam musul je ka complain wala bal ni sol ke batandi le na fifa ngol ni do ko ni pareta ya tinya.
Exactly.
But security wise, what would you say about Iladula? Do you feel like the security?
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Okay. It is sicho if you come in terms of animals. Will become badande. The problem coming sort at times. Nindara fani nga do ko ke ngana harvesting start ni mo len je harvesting da. Bol ka badan sada ko ne kana na fengol tay ke kati
ke sunya
yeah wolen story de me alon ko definitely o kam badan le because sama ko no jambe mun pakayalde almost 28 so data nim training men no makadi with IOM for 3 days de me alon ko na sister nyanda harvesting kala every harvest pane fula ko kati pakaya so anara jang atare gali pakaya be kadi kapaka ya sunya o mang dimi bada mari e fangota kapaka jomuta ka kuntu ka fillarinje you know that one is so wicked amam better
so mune ka access ka sawunna ne
ka jumpina ne
suto possibly
at times daytime ni yalo moment raja comme ça ni yalo tamata ye ni na tamo moy rek kanale
fo i jam fata sate wala
demandi na korda ni jante mo almost 15 minutes what 15 tamo yeah
so even what plans do you have can make sure community security wise
well
yedulani protect no
in future ngam fo na me wala comme ça what mina mbal to la so kono here is where I want to stay yeah in advance nyato lafta wala because ni ajibe ni ratu babolia farmer soul men yalonko they call themselves as a real farmer they normally stay with their wives their kids at if on la farm soul yeah so mo buka access to noje so and young land membembule is too big it's 10 hectares yeah so ninga bungo soto jang alhamdulillah inshallah yeah inshallah obekela because ni ajibe from 2023 up to today ni men ko nyako bi betar ragni level oldo mbafala maria ko no yeah but this year more especially 2026 I have a lot of success stories and I have a lot of visitors. Imagine the minister came all the way from Kombo up to here. Minister of Youth and Sport.
Wow, Bakari
Baji. So you know that one is a big plus.
So that's very one of the doku kumaya ta Bakari because doku wolo finansima.
Wuluta janne, nkuluta janne. God bless and yet alafia be fanina janne. Desito be janna doku filingo be janne batakola da.
Okay, Ibrahima Felenti nata na jamma fon fana. Kamuta ko be do ko dati kanne lafta lo na dorong. Yamune kijang aning ya plan kamune fi.
Okay, well sama kono. Nka jambe ke this yang last yang jambe ke nyambol.
Kanyambo fana fi.
Yeah, nyambol ke jang. Here is 35 by 80 meter. So kabring nyambu production ke jang awafi. In 6 months time I got almost 47,000. So that for this year 47,000. That was and drip solar in pipe hole. So nga tractor jo price jambe pula. Then be bet demarcation ole kele jang for guana production only. Kano jambe too. Okay. So
did you do the market analysis for that fanang?
Yeah.
Time you malam guana buka kano la ku kala fi mankela marché ko
sama kono.
So iti ya estimate nyama niti la firo ke rek sama kono batara.
Yeah, by
guana talata marché kon. Iti la guana le do marché kon.
By end of this month rek next month on the first be transplanting kel. So early July, August guana ko over expensive. Right now kg is 400, 375. But nga time mo mem foyde kg kata 600.
Me ñoo sabana la ne cheikh ni ñeñol mi dalal fa nga ta guana fi. Bayri sama ko na kanana na ngalo no ko sen sama ko le katara.
Well, yeah.
So ko kanyambo fana file.
Yen kanyambo kele.
Okay.
Nga saro ke. Nga jonke. Yeah.
So ni saro fana na season si de ka file o.
No saro sama ko nan ko ke because sama ko no jio bu ka problem.
Okay.
Sama ko no.
So okay, what's the difference? Does it mean coming ko 50 do je wol ka sula jiyo la bakele
e ka sula fifengo comme ça da saro isake no bot sama anin
telikando
but depending on itala water capacity be nyame
okay because ate jiyo need la
ate jiyo need la because jiyo men bijang ata jambe supply no la so wala na sama ko nga gadino be cultivate nga saroke nga jangoke nga nyamboge even wonjo nga kele vindo wonjo la katara gadino nyina fo kona so
I like how Ika cool strategize. I think that is one thing me along go I you lele. Pama so kono.
Yeah.
Hai sudiata nyaonya ni milion kakane subaju na ulodo ko fodo mandingo sinani hamo bije taro sapije ndol kanni olela nangata kato mando mapuskata hani yes tala kuto fo by fosta rada sina manje kibola de pani yake fawolede ni lafta e kada ni le wote fala kodo te la kodide luondo kolom fodo mandi wasila ngauli nga mecho karansi kensen ventina sina jam fata simfa kilim fodo le kana mecho lo do kolom luondo kolom fodo mandi sila ngauli nga mecho karansi kensen ventina sina jam fata simfa kilim le fodo kana mecho lo do kolom
Ibrahima fele paka ya dimbadi na kacha nyimu fennet me alonko akumayata interesting ta nga fenje mala karanje andu ngalo no komen be programme o jibe kay be fenje mala karanje be londi jamala soto la je senola karola ayitande komen ko dron ibe fengo fenkela dron foy sa karang e londo do soto je otumo le kana keno ya tamandi kanya ndakata ma nyame itam funding killed Ibrahima andu ngal ne hamu ka wara baake na funding kill but let's say come in the next maybe 5 years sanyi lulu nyaato ite ya inten ka janje nyaadi la yemune hamme janna ko to ila famla ko to
sanji lulu nyaato na force intention wo kele mendi I also want to employ almost 50 youths in this country so that will lead the youth employment rate will be reduced so imagine Ibrahima employing 50 youths another guy employed 50 youths another guy
unemployment also
talala la you know so there is not like comme ça be nyanta na jiko lola government na nyanta mo be employer la ni aje tubabo li a develop ta sama senela last start kamol employer and all the business all men yalan ko be keri so business la fon ka xani menkela ni salary do kulal be xani ka yeah because of money ko do mi ale katala jende
ya kala dron
Yeah.
foi c'est innovative foi
So-
ça
so-
fennati no mi yalon ko ay defon bo mul kafala no famala e employment no a create and again Ibrahima funding kewol cool siata men yalon ko ka funding kewol batandi drug abuse bijele jama fanan unemployment o fanan ka kafu kana stress so bari mobe manke karanari mobe manke office kono silati akatinna dolse wutu ikoy katani ko masilo la mo funding ke jama la fata je to be mol soto la men o badingol o terol o mol mel la meltuto siloka bari don ite mo advice la soto funding ke wala bari ite mo dindingolti e falandingi be family la horticulture bole ke kan specifically me alon ko musul le ka ke baake ite mo advice la soto la funding ke wala men alon ko peñum programme o jibe ka
well be men fola funding ke wala comme ça hadama dimo e be dawada alon comme ça balu no je a dependale comme ça mindset men be bolo mo murundi ni yenyim believe so comme ça ntala banko kan sa make no je inyanda sila ya try ya make because ntolle moti mi alon ko asa banko falino funding ke wala moti mi alon ko asa dula falino handi no sula da funding ke wala
sembo kanta sembo be to
sembo ben tolle exactly so mbafla funding ke wala ko yake moti mi alon ko ye hamo soto andu yake modi mi alon ko ibe kala mo la yamaro mutala karamo manke comme ça momin be office o kono o damba len karanare skills karamol ta banna say yaji be say gambe jan skill central men be is too much gardening bi jele tailoring bi je carpentry bi je auto mechanic then ni nata welding and fabrication the same thing so ni te dula do mutan ni te be welding and te be carpentry la do be farming na by force be sulala nyola because every farmer need a place to sleep so and italo sama seno e ka kudo sota dame e bita mari ila no ma yama koy yela kudo dunga bul the same thing that individual will come back to you ala do moro seda bul
so akamuta be nyoma koy kanda be banko ma koy kan sinya
and funding ke wol ndole seke modi me alon ko ni importation men ka kenan comme ça ka do moro bonam bonda la banko kan ke samana ndole sa keleno do moro me ala ke samana e tiri jelle ka wol bulo e be larin je for how long yeah dida nyadi we don't know anything about it they just package it and bring it for us même bi je ka chemical ol men ke je pour isaje wol yemme we didn't know it whether they are affecting us or not we don't know anything about it but ye fe on kati bi yadom I think that is the best thing e ñew mu da biya para ka yabula so ko
wala diada
mu tobe lafta wala so dan ye ñew be free aba carton ko no for almost a month aman sense from back
Ibrahima ngalon nako doku fokole ya ko de mondin sa taraje ngalon ko lafta ka jang expand ko ya yitande nyamen dorong lafta ka juruwaye soto ila do ko nyin do bar ngalon nako maybe kalewol de mondin sa taraje bar kalewo ko la fanan programme o ñi molbe jibe kanne youth lead programme o leng funding ke programme o leng ngamen kere ka nati GRTS television oto so ngalon nako hana tara funding ke wol ko la government bodies would be looking at this program, government agencies better than GB can youth organization or NGO better than GB can kale wol demanding for more dorong aning itibala fla mun di mar lela sign
well ntala di mar follow be kelemendi keno member bula wara badal almost 10 hectare so out of 10 hectare only 1 hectare wada mala fence no so 1 hectare nyim fon felenda be buka do kuno because of geo man sufficient so natara ninga sansang proper fencing soro nga geo soro na farming material model farming equipment o dol soro like ni nada tractor power tiller and other fabrication materials then you have a flat over kono ye warehouse in den kanya ndingo soro and cold store then production of sembo warra nyindile andum wato la fon be mol tala ke employé katara na kende ke fon amanka comme ça left focus la vegetable production of the mala space o men bijang is too much I want to expand both crop and animal husbandry so ibaje la momi yalon ko be sula la ya bashiala so imagine ngam mem for in next 5 years ninde mo 50 employee mo do mo 50 employee youth unemployment rate abatala na banko kan
fa hani kabi kam mol so men ka kabi kam pour do ko le kamel jo
ngam mol tale because most of the activities ja wartale ni levo shiara ngam mol tale as contract 2 hours 3 hours ngejo so wol fongol kol fongo gana appreciate dol bi je fo kanyine nga fo ate soto no la ko tanke ba e molta so imagine ngam men fo e ningol soto be kala nyaade be tambila nyi level la
tambila la andi yo de marol ni
no de marol right now be surale wala la andi ninge soto inshallah ni na rejang in next 2-3 years you will see a lot of changes.
I hope what de maro ke fenti me alongo ibasutula baraka bake Ibrahima kontanta bake nata nanjang kandu hani tamem fumbe programme ni host kan ndefango fenjamale bi je me alongo ngole karang surtout men yalongo be programme ni jibe kan I'm sure there's a lot me alongo ibak karan nale ila diamo kono aning yefengol mem fatam fansi ke yitande senola kuma yala karola mba fule ko baraka bake and hopefully ngal ko nati momol ba murana janne
inshallah
koteke sako sama ko me lafla kana nan janne ngajibe yedo ko men ke anin do ko nyinta da nyaadi la mba fule baraka koteke
Allah baraka bake
thank you so much
na
mbo sama lo yes
inshallah ni mutafandol dini ala sonde no Allah baraka bake kontanta bake alama palasul fanan ka fana no Allah baraka thank you so much thank you
this is Ibrahima Fati Jara Jinoy
thank you so much
Metula